Alam mo ba, na may mga skills ngayon na sobrang in demand? As in, kung matututunan mo yan, kahit wala ka ng college degree, may chance ka ng kumita ng malaki. Una is yung Go High Level Specialist or yung mga automation expert. Ito na yung bagong secret weapon ng mga digital businesses. Actually, kahit mga traditional businesses nga eh. Imagine, ikaw yung tao na nagpagana ng buong back-end. Yung sa appointments, follow-ups, email sequences, lahat on autopilot. Konti pa lang yung skill na to sa totoo lang. Pero lahat gustong magpa-setup. Pangalawa, short form video editor. TikTok Reels, YouTube Shorts. Lahat ng brand gusto nila yung mga contents nila nakaka-hook within the first 3 seconds. Kung marunong kang mag-cut, mag-caption, maglagay ng sound effects and pacing, congrats. Congrats agad. Number 3, copywriting. Yung kaya magbenta gamit lang yung words. Lahat ng businesses kailangan ng copy para sa ads, sa emails, sa websites, and even the funnels. If alam mo kung paano mag-write persuasively, hindi ka maubusan ng clients. 4. Facebook Ads Media Buyer. Ito yung skill na literal na pwede magpabayaran ng video. Kung marunong ka mag-target, mag-test ng creatives, and mag-scale, that's 100,000 plus skill. Actually, hindi lang 100,000 plus eh. Number 5, ito in demand to ngayon. Digital product creator. Templates, ebooks, Notion systems, printables, online courses. Minsan isang gawa lang, pero income siya for life. You can sell your own or create for other businesses. Number 6, online business manager. Kung normal lang sa'yo yung mga taga-organize naman kung ano man, ito yung zone mo, wherein you will oversee people, projects, and then deadlines. Kumbaga, you're the one keeping everything calm behind the scenes. Number 7, podcast or audio editor. Ang dami nating nakikita ngayon, di ba? Yung mga booming na podcast industry. If you can clean up sound, cut fillers, and add intro music, you're already ahead. And number 8 is funnel builder or landing page specialist. Kahit may offer ang client, kung pangit yung page, magbabay ka sa sales mo. That's why people who know how to structure, design, and convert on a page are highly paid. Lahat ng hindi mo kailangan aralin ng 4 na taon. Pwede mo siyang simulan online. And yung tanong ko lang for you is, alin dyan yung una mong aaralin?